Manakanda, don't turn on the video frequently. Okay. Right. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, bit late today. Right. This is not the testing time, it is the listening time. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So we'll start, Nana, class. Okay. So here, yesterday I think we went through some what. Okay. Went through the velocity part, I think. Okay. Right. Good afternoon, everyone. And just trying to recollect now what the formula we discussed yesterday. Okay, related to displacement concept. First, I think yesterday we got horizontal along x-axis. Horizontal displacement x is equals to u cos theta into t. And vertical displacement, that is along y-axis, is equals to u sine theta into t minus half gt square. Okay, this is the displacement along x-axis and y-axis. Vector form also yesterday we discussed. Yes. Vector form also we discussed. That is like xi cap plus yj cap. Okay. And its magnitude also we solved one numerical related to it, root of x square plus y square. And most importantly, the relation between y and x also we discussed. That is y is equals to tan theta into x minus half g by u square cos square theta into x square. Okay, one more we discussed. And this one we wrote like one parabola equation ax minus dx square, where we have to buttify, I think all of you buttified these equations. A is equals to tan theta and b is equals to the whole part here, whatever we got, that is half g by u square cos square theta. This is p value. Okay, good. So these are the things I think yesterday we discussed. Apart from these formulae we discussed, any extra none of in displacement part, if you remember, then you can express it now. Any other? Did you remember? Apart from these formulae. No, I think. That's why you are not responding. Okay, no problem. Here, this is the. Yeah, no one is responding. Okay, right. Well, it is also sometimes good to see here. Okay, no, sir. Thank you. And then if we go to velocity part here, this one, okay, right. Yeah, I saw. Okay. And velocity part is, I think along x-axis we got that is u cos theta. And I said this remains constant throughout the path. Okay, constant at any point in its path. And Vy is u sine theta minus gt we got yesterday. And here vector form also we wrote v bar equals to vx I cap plus vy j cap. Okay, and mod v bar equals to root of, that is vx square plus vy square. Okay. And one more point I think I explained yesterday. At highest point, who is zero, Nana? Either Vx or Vy. Vy, very good. This time you responded quickly. Vy equals to 0. Okay. And very good. Vy is 0. And Vx will be same. Vx will be u cos theta 1. Right, good. At highest point. Right. Now we are coming to, after recollecting the formulae what we discussed in this chapter, motion in a plane, entering into the part today. As usual, every time we have to take the plane, y-axis and x-axis as usual. And here the body is projected with certain velocity somewhere from here, point of projection I'm taking. Okay. And here with a certain velocity. And assuming as usual follows one parabolic path like this. Okay. And in its parabolic path, after certain time, yesterday we found the velocity here. Okay, at that point, yesterday we took the two directions also. This is Vx along x-axis. And I think you remember this is Vy. Okay. And what are the two values we know here? Already I wrote both the values, Vx and Vy. This is Vx and this is Vy. And here the velocity, okay, magnitude also you told here, that velocity, suppose tangentially here, if we take like this at that point, a tangent, okay, almost a tangent, good, no problem. That tangent which is representing the direction of velocity at that point means v bar. That v bar makes how much angle with x-axis? Okay. One thing I can say, suppose projected with an angle theta, surely this angle is less than theta. Will you accept my point from the diagram? Yes, good, good, good. Yes. So this angle, right, good. Suppose if I take it as alpha, from the diagram we can say alpha is surely less than theta. Okay, yes, correct. So here, that alpha, if they ask in exam, okay, how to find? Very simple. So here, using some mathematics, if I write tan alpha, usually you say opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side. Who will come here opposite side? Is it Vy or Vx opposite side? Vy, very good. Vy, opposite side, very good. And adjacent side, I think you can say it is very simple, Vx. Yes, good, Vx. So from this, you can find out the alpha also. That implies alpha very simple. You can say that equals to tan inverse, that is Vy by Vx. Okay. This is the extra formula what we are taking today. First formula today we are discussing. Okay, alpha equals to, directly we say tan inverse Vy by Vx. Okay, so our formula is okay. How they ask related to alpha in exam? Okay, that one I am writing here. Alpha means they ask find. Oh, sorry, they ask like this. Alpha is find. They ask the direction of velocity after a time t. Okay, so better I write like this. How alpha gives what? Okay, alpha gives the direction of velocity after time t. Okay, even in exam also find the direction of velocity after time t. You directly calculate what. Okay, this alpha is how much at the highest point. If I ask, what do you say? Tan, very good. Tan alpha is equals to Vy. At highest point you said that is 0. So 0 by Vx. 0 by anything is 0. Tan alpha is 0 means alpha equals to 0. Okay. So when I go to the next page here, moving to the next page, at the highest point, what you told, I'm going to write here. Okay. So I'm writing here at the highest point. Alpha equals to 0 degrees. 0 degrees means here that V bar comes along x-axis or y-axis. Will it come along x-axis or y-axis? If alpha is equals to 0, x, very good, x, right, nice. Yeah, good. So I write finally, that implies the velocity at the highest point is, highest point is along x-axis, that is horizontal. Okay, very good. Direction you said here at the highest point. And suppose if they ask what is the mod V bar at the highest point, what do you say? Look at who is the mod V bar, root of Vx square plus Vy square. Good. You cos theta. Nice. So Vy is 0 now at highest point. Vy 0 means, right, root of Vx square. Root of Vx square means square root get cancelled. You will get Vx. Okay. That Vx value already you found here. That is u cos theta. Okay. Good. So here we are writing in the next page that what at the highest point is equals to Vx, that is equals to u cos theta. That's all. These are the points related to velocity. Okay. Once have a glance, we will start the problems numericals related to the velocity. This part over now. Yesterday we discussed displacement part. Okay. Look at the velocity formula. Okay. Once have a glance and I will start the problems. Yes, sir. Done. Okay. Right. So shall I move to second page? Yes. Okay. Good. Right. coming to the second page here in this. Okay. Try to remember all these formulae also at the highest point. Good. Now ready here with your dash. Ishan will respond. Okay. Very good. This time Kirti responded quickly. Instruments. Right. Good. I think Ishan is sleeping. No. Okay. Right. Source. Hey, have fun. Okay. With its swords or instruments or guns or okay weapons. Start here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Come to here example. A body is projected at an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal of course comma with a velocity of say some 80 meters per second. Okay, as usual, no need to say take g is equal to 10 meter per second square in the problems. Okay, and here find first question. Number one, um, the velocity. Okay, velocity means both magnitude and direction. The velocity and represent it in vector form. Okay, find the velocity means you have to say both. What is the magnitude of velocity? What is the direction of velocity? Means you have to find out mod v bar as well as alpha. Both you have to find. After how much time? Not mentioned. So represent it in vector form after a time of 2 seconds. No, not at the highest point. That's what I'm saying. Time I mentioned now, after a time of 2 seconds. At the highest point, second question I will tell. So it is not at the highest point, surely. Mod V bar means you have to find out both Nana, Vx and Vy. Oh, Vx is 40 root 3. Oh, Vx formula U cos theta. U velocity of 80 meters per second. U is 80 cos theta. Theta is how much? 30 degrees. Cos 30. Yeah, correct. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That is equals to 40 root 3. Accepted. Vy. Vy, how much you wrote there? 20. Okay, 20. That I will check. Vy by 20. Okay, right. That is u sine theta minus gt. Oh, total is 20 root 21. Okay. Right. Mod V bar, I think. U is 80 into sine theta is 30 minus g is 10 into time after time of 2 seconds. G into t is 2. 80 sine 30 means 80 into 1 by 2. Yeah. Right. mod V bar, right? I will check. Oh, your answer is wrong. Okay. Right. 240 is 20 root 13. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no problem. 240 is minus 10 to the 20. That is equals to 20. This is correct. 20 Vy previously what you typed, that is correct. And mod V bar equals to root of Vx square plus Vy square. This one Manikanta telling 20 root 13. Yeah, even many Manikanta 20 root 13. Amog also 20 root 13. Okay. Right, no problem. Direction, Nana? Direction means alpha. Alpha. Okay, Ishan, 20 root 13. Right. Root of Vx square. Where is iPhone? iPhone is not responding. 40 root 13. Yeah, 40 root 3. 40 root 3. Yeah. Plus here 20 square. Good. 40 square is 1600 into 3. 4800 plus 400. Root, I think 5200. That is 20 root 13. Yeah, correct. 20 root 30. Accept another. This is also correct. Mr. iPhone. Okay. Right. I thought that you were there in Puranapur. And alpha, tan alpha. Okay, right. Tan alpha is Vy by Vx. Okay, okay, no problem. It's too late. 20 Vy is 20 by Vx is 40 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3. Yes, correct. 100%. That implies alpha is equals to tan inverse 1 by 2 root 3. Even this is also correct. And already Amog put the answer for this. Vector form. Yeah, correct, correct. Okay, okay. And vector form V bar equals to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. So Vx is how much? 40 root 3. Yes. 40 root 3 I cap plus Vy is 20 j cap. Okay, good. I think majority of you got the answers. Okay, no problem. Then, in the same thing, second question, if I ask, now, at the highest point, okay, at the highest point, I think in just one step you can say the answer. At the highest point, yeah, that's it, over. Find its velocity. Yeah, Vy 0 and Vx is already we found. That is 40. Yeah, correct. Exactly, exactly. Right. So this will be very simple, I think, related to velocity. Yes, correct. So I am moving to next page, Nana. Vx over, Vy over, alpha over, mod V bar over, and even at highest point also we are writing now. Yeah, good. Then here, yeah, Vx is equals to, that is 40 root 3, which is Vx, and Vy equals to 0. That implies V is equals to only 40. Very good. Over. Okay. So we found both. Right. Now look at this question. See how many will get the idea for this question. I think it is example 10. if I'm not wrong. Example 1, 2. Oh, sorry, it is 2 1. Okay, second example here. Yes. A body is projected obliquely from the ground level to cross a high wall of height 10 meters, comma, located at a distance of say 4 meters from the point of projection. From the point of projection. Okay. If the body just crosses, already I told to cross that. Okay, over. Find the initial velocity and the angle of projection. That's it. These are the 2 questions. First, try to understand what he is asking. What are these 2 things here in this question? First, read the question properly and try to understand who are these 2. Anyone got the idea? Okay. So not getting any idea. 50-50. Amok, wow. Yes, you are right, Mr. Amok. And then, sure. Look at, I think, how much is this? Your mic is working, Mr. Amok? No. Right. Okay. Yes, I think you took wrong, Nana. Why you posted that is correct. Okay. I don't know why you took X 8 meters. Oh. Sure. Okay, we'll check it here. From the point of projection, he said there is a high wall. Okay. At what distance a body is projected from the ground level to cross a high wall of height 10 meters, which is located at a distance of 4 meters from the point of projection. So usually we project from origin every time in diagrams. So from the point of projection, here a wall is located at a distance of 4 meters. Means this is given as 4. First, you understood this step, Nana, all of you? What I said? Wall is located at a distance of 4 meters from the point of projection. Yes, okay, understood. Right. Ah, very good. Now X is Badudai. Previously you posted that is 8. Now you came to that point. Yes. Good. And here we are assuming there is a high wall. Yes, there is a wall of 10 meters height. This is a high wall. What we are taking. Okay. Of height 10 meters. This is of height. Okay. Now he has to project one body just to cross this wall. Just to cross this wall means he has to project, I think, like this. To cross that one, this is suppose one body projected. Okay, like this. Oh, projected like this, I think. Oh, theta tan inverse 5 by 2. Anisha, okay, right. I'll see Nana. Okay. Ah, right. Cos inverse 2 by root 2. You both got different answers. Uh, Anisha, will you explain, Nana? You can unmute your voice. How you got tan inverse? Yeah, you can unmute and explain how you got tan inverse 5 by 2.
So Vy by Vx.
Where Vy and Vx, Nana? Where are they?
I have taken 10 meters is equals to Vy.
Ayyo, they are meters, Nana, distances, not
So,
Vy. They
no,
are
sir.
velocity.
Actually, sir, I have taken 10 meters. Actually, I have found, I have taken as a equilateral a right angle triangle. Then,
No. Not like that, Nana. Why?
okay, sir.
Why? Because I will tell where you did the mistake. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
in its path, Nana, after certain time, suppose comes to here, observe, this is the horizontal distance traveled and it is the vertical distance traveled. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So they are distances, Nana.
No, sir.
Vertical distance means y.
Yes,
Horizontal
sir.
distance means x. X and y are given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Not vx and vy. So now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. Now you can unmute your mic. Root 182. Okay, that I will check now. So here given that x is equals to distance from the point of projection from here. This is given as 4. X is equals to 4 meters. And here height of the wall is given as 10 meters. Height means displacement, Nana, not the velocity. Okay. So here y is equals to 10 meters. Right? So here x and y formulae, yesterday's concept, try to recollect, Nana. X is nothing but u cos theta into t, okay, or else he by finding hypotenuse you can't calculate anything, Nana. Okay, you can see here if I join here the hypotenuse like this is the angle what you are going to find out, whereas angle of projection means this is the angle of projection, Nana. Who is the angle of projection? It is projected like this tangentially. Base is u cos theta means that is velocity na. But given here, this is not velocity, displacement. Okay. Yeah, I think all of you can't the slope be taken as the distance traveled? Slope means I think you are saying this one. This is the total displacement, Nana. Total displacement. Uh, that's y is not 4, Nana. Y is 10 gada. Okay. This is the total displacement. Whereas you are trying to calculate this part, Nana. Whereas I am asking this is what is the angle of projection, theta. In the figure, if you see, you can understand. So is your doubt clarified, Nana? No, actually, I think you should not get the answer. That's what I am expecting here. Why? Because some information is required that I did not give here. Okay, x is equals to u cos theta into t, that equals to 4, Nana. Sure. Yes. Yes, now Amok got that point. Time taken. Without time taken, how you calculate the answer, Nana, Mr. Amok? So I think I have to give the time. So first of all, with the information I am writing here, u cos theta into t is equals to 4, left hand side, probability. Okay. So on the right hand side, I am writing here y is u sine theta into t minus half gt square. Okay, this is given as 10. Okay, Nana? Now I am saying, okay, what in the question here, now you observe, find the initial velocity and angle of projection if it crosses the wall after a time of 1 second. I think now you can calculate. Okay. Yes, now you can calculate. Very good. So here if I substitute t is equals to 1 second and as usual g is equals to 10. That's what I watched, Nana. Yeah, I understood. Okay, no problem. So here u cos theta into u is 20. Okay, I will check now. 20, I think. See here. U cos theta into t is 1 is equals to 4. That implies u cos theta I am getting 4, Nana. Okay. And here u sine theta into t is 1 second. Okay, leave it into 1. Minus half g is 10 into t square is 1. That equals to 10. To phi here cancellation and you are getting here u sine theta by multiplying equals to 10. 5 taken to the other hand, this is not 51, Nana. 5 into 1, that is 5. So this is 15, 1, 5. So if you divide, first I think, you root of 241, maybe. Yeah, correct. 225, 6. Yeah, right. Okay, as you wish. First, if you want to calculate u, Nana, by squaring and adding these two, means u square cos square theta is equals to 4, and here by squaring this one u square sine square theta is, right, correct, is equals to 225. And adding these two, I think we are not getting 20. Okay, Mr. iPhone? So by adding these two, you will get u square into sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 equals to, sorry, this is how much? 4 square. That is 60. 225 plus 16 is 241. So u is equals to root 241. Exactly, correct, Nana. Okay, okay. And then here, theta. I think by dividing these two equations, you will get theta. Means u sine theta by u cos theta. That is, right. This time we are getting the answer, right? 15 by 4. Okay, right. U sine theta is 15. U cos theta is 4. Of course, you get cancelled. Tan theta. Oh, acha. Okay, right. Okay, no problem. 15 by 4. And theta is equals to tan inverse 15 by 4. Okay. Actually, this question, I should not ask u and theta. Okay. My intention is, actually, if I ask like this straight away, okay, you might have get some confusion. That's why I asked it like this, Nana. So here, now I am asking the original question, example 3. In the above problem, okay, find the velocity, okay, while crossing the wall. This is the actual question. Okay. To find out this one, Anna, actually you require u and theta. You surely require u and theta to find out Vx and Vy. Okay. Without you giving u and theta, if I ask to find out Vx and Vy, you may get some confusion. That's why first I asked, changed the question, and I asked like this. 4R. Array, u itself is root 241, right? Sure. Okay, I will check it. Oh, yes, I think you did the mistake. So can I go to the question, Anna, here? Okay, moving to here, next page. Yes, yes. Root to 241 minus 10. Okay. What is this about? This is Vy, I think you calculated, mister. Okay, I will check, Nana. Anyway. So here to find out, coming to the solution. Whereas I got u is equal to root of 241 and tan theta equals to, I got 15 by 4. Root 1300 by 7. Okay, okay. We will check. Right. And here I am going to find out what, Nana? Velocity. Yeah, I think there you did the mistake. We have to find out both Vx and Vy, Nana. No problem. Yeah, Vx is u cos theta and Vy is u sin theta minus gt. Okay. First, try to calculate cos theta and sin theta for the substitution from tan theta. Okay. How to calculate? You know in your mathematics. Tan theta means from the triangle you can say. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. And hypotenuse will be root of, this is 241. Total velocity 2 root 29 actually. Okay, 2 root 29. Happy Sunday. Yeah. Till here 10 minutes more run. 2 root 29. This is 241. So here from this triangle I will get sine theta is equals to 15 by root 241. And cos theta is equals to how much cos theta? Adjacent side. 4 by 2 root of 241. Okay. So from this information, I am going to find out the part. Okay, Nana? From this part. Right? Coming to here. Vx is equals to, that implies, try to solve. 2 root 29, only one answer I got. Okay, I will check. Vx is equals to u. 9. Manikanta got 9. Okay. Vx is equals to u. U is root of 241 into cos theta is 4 by root of 241. These two get cancelled. Vx is equals to, I am getting 4. Okay, 1 is over. And Vy here, u root of 241 into sine theta, 15 by root 241. Again get cancelled, u sine theta minus g 10 times 1. So Vy is equals to, I got 15 minus 10, that is equals to 5. Manikanta, I think 9 is not correct, Nana. Why? Because total velocity mod V bar is equals to our formula root of Vx square plus Vy square. Yes. So root of that is 4 square 16 plus 5 square 25. So this is root of 16 plus 25. That is, I think, even Lakshmi Gayatri also wrong. Right. Root 41. I don't know where you did the mistake, you both. Right? Right. Super. Good. Right. No problem. Okay. Right. I think now all of you understood, Nana. Okay. So here, yes. So all of you understood today what I explained, Nana? All the problems related to velocity, even this lengthy problem also. Yes, this lengthy problem also. Good. Then it is okay, no problem. So you can solve the numericals related to velocity also. Sure. This is the first one. This is the second one. Yeah, vector form 4i cap plus 5j cap. Yes, correct. This is the third one. Okay. And here, fourth one, don't take, Nana. Still, we have to write something. Ask the vector form. Okay. Yes. I saw Nana. V bar equals to Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. Okay. That is Vx I got how much? 4 and this is 5. So yes, 4 I cap plus 5 j cap. Okay. Good. So will I stop the class now? In the next class, freshly we start the new subtopic. Okay. Even if I start it now, I can't complete it today. Okay, Nana. Bye, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Bye, Nana. So, right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Yes. We will meet on Monday.
Thank you.
Happy
Bye.
weekend, sir.
For you all.